Hail to lovers of spiritual sciences. I am Theiam. Now, the YouTube channel has gone advanced. More and more friends are shining, and I am doing everything I can. General concepts have been taught enough, and from now, I will teach more specialized and practical sorcery that you can do step by step with us. Several thousand people follow us. Some watch the videos for entertainment, but I am satisfied with most of the channel friends. Money is necessary for quality of life, but not enough for happiness. There are those who have millions of dollars, that they are not free in truth and cannot enjoy their wealth with each reason. Apart from wealth, many behind-the-scenes factors play a role in our happiness. Happiness can be other meaningful things, agreements that you can get one after another, or the popularity you can create in hearts. All this can be done by being friends with your twin demon, a creature that is a threat to many, but it is the greatest opportunity of the beyond. A being you, if he is your friend, strikes fear into the hearts of your enemies and prepares everything behind the scenes for your purposes. Chances may not be bought with millions of dollars, but the twin demon will do it for you. I made 116 people rich with the magic of gold and armor, and today I'm going to cast the twin demon magic for 116 more people. I allocate time for this magic until the first of the new month of Aries, 21 April. Do this sorcery craft with me at the same time. Members of the Academy or my Crystal Nation can do this with just one carnelian opal. For these 116 people, I will count the names of their twin demons and inform them of their sacred geometry. The carnelian agate is placed in the center. A piece of hair is an offering of the body. Then write the demon's name on a piece of paper and wrap it around the hair and place it under the crystal. And sacred geometry, which requires 56 crystals, are placed around the central crystal, which is carnelian agate. The crystal must have my seal or be enchanted with my spiritual ink. I remember that when I was young, I was practicing and learning to paint along with the Painting Pleasure program taught by Bob Ross. Just as Bob Ross used the simplest tool to teach painting, I teach magic with the simplest tool. A crystal with a master's seal or a piece of gold or a sacrifice for some spells is the simplest tool of sorcery craft. Like canvas, brush, and paint for painting. To do anything, specialized tools and minimums are needed. In this channel, I prefer to teach practical magic to my students and my Crystal Nation and change their lives instead of theoretical issues. And in this episode, I will teach practical magic to communicate with the twin demon, because the twin demon is your gateway to spirit science. He tells secrets in your ear and takes you to the dream world. And the demon of this act that I took the permission of 116 people from it is the Star of Tishtria, or the Lord of Tishtria. He is a golden god with a horse's head and a mace, who defeats the evil named Aposha by the order of Ahura Mazda, the god of flowing waters, the god who loves blue and gold colors. Aposha wears a black hat and a black robe. Its image is similar to a black horse. If I leave the twin demons at the disposal of these 116 people, and I bring them into the world of meaning, that the twin demon is ready to listen to the order to fulfill all their wishes, they are responsible for helping others. Some people says, if you look deeply into a crystal, you will see the face of the demon trapped in it. What are crystals? These are the portals that demons use to come to this world. Is every stone we see a portal? What is the difference between elf, and beta crystals, and stones that are empty. 90% of stones and crystals are empty and have no use in magic. The 10% that are portals are either alpha or beta. Masters call beta crystals caves. It means the natural ways that demons have used before, and their footprints are clear. They were either black portals or white portals. Black portals contain the presence of jinns and demons, the negative beings who use them to appear in this world, cause great damage. Whatever house they are in, that house is in ruins. If they are with anyone, her life will be disrupted. And depending on the type of demon, the affairs of that person's life will be severely disturbed. White portals also have traces of positive beings. They bring good and blessings with them. That the alpha crystals have special possessed demons, that the master captures these demons either in the ring or in a large rough crystal. Alpha crystals are like houses, and on the contrary, beta crystals that are like caves, which every creature has used. Alpha crystals are made by the master. On these crystals, a magic square must be drawn with the spiritual ink of the possessed demon or sealed with the master's seal. 3 threads should be used: operating oil and at least 3 seals, demon's magic square, master's sigil, and minor numerology or abjad of the person who wants to command that crystal. Some people sent me pictures of their crystals, and they were so negative and dark that they could only be used in black magic, and it is used only to harm others and the person himself. My students learn aura reading after 3 years. Every day they send us crystal images from all over the world. Is it positive or negative? Crystals of great price, precious rubies, great emeralds. It doesn't matter to us how much each person spends on a crystal. Crystals are magical tools. The cheaper the better. It just has to have a good aura. Remember that crystals should have a warm aura. Aura reading means to find out, is the crystal empty? Was it beta, and was it used by the demon before? And if it did it have black or white footprints? Or does it have the potential to become an alpha because it is a valuable position and we can possessing the demon in it? To determine the layout type of demon grid geometry, it means the first chakra's grid. You must have been born on an auspicious date in the Chinese zodiac. I have entrusted it to my admin, and it is enough to write the month and year of your birthday in the comments, and we will answer you. People who born in the blessed Chinese zodiac here and have an agate crystal can perform this procedure. It is necessary to arrange the grid of the first chakra. 56 knuckled crystals that arranged according to the geometry, and a piece of hair that you wrap around and put under the crystal after I calculate the name of your twin demon for you. You should not touch this grid at all, and your twin demon will be your friend. My curse for that person who uses this gift and blessing, but it not does help to others. I hope you were born on the auspicious date, and the blessings of this supernatural twin brother or sister flow into your life. A partner who loves you more than any other person and knows and understands you more than any other person. Your twin demon.